This one is good. ChatCut is the best AI motion graphic generator I've ever seen. Nothing else comes close. Alright, it's been a while. Lots of things have happened since we last spoke. We're in public beta now. We're trending on X. Holy fuck. And look at these black eyes. Like everybody on the team has got these black eyes now. So update number 1. If you're our user, you know that ChatCut has incredible motion graphics features. Right now, after the AI generates this motion graphics, you can actually edit it by hand. So you click it and then you get this toolbar and then you can select different fonts. You can change the text. So that motion graphics 101, what if in the next course you want to change it to 102? You don't have to regenerate it again. You get this for free. And the background, like how do you feel about, these backgrounds? But one more thing. And this thing, after I tell you, you're gonna think it's the coolest thing ever because I think it's the coolest thing ever. I'll save it after the next demo. Let's make something else. Along with functions and feature improvements, we also made a lot of templates. After you click motion graphics, you're gonna see different visual styles of different templates. Let's say that you're making a tech review video, and I'm gonna select this benchmark score comparison. I'm gonna ask you to make a chart that compares M5 Max chips versus Qualcomm. All right, let's see. An amazing job. And I can select my color scheme. Let's say I don't like purple. Change it to green. You have the control. This is still not the coolest thing yet. Wait for the coolest thing. This is like really cool, but wait for the coolest thing. Sometimes in your video, you're referencing other people's social media. It's always better to have the graphics for the social media. We made a template for X. Let's say Elon Musk saying ChatCut is the best AI motion graphics generator he's ever seen. We do not want this technology to fall into the wrong hands. You notice how at the end or beginning of professional channels, they always have their logos and then there's like a motion for it. It's called a logo reveal. Now let's make one for ChatCut. So make a cool logo reveal animation motion graphics with this logo. Interesting, pretty nice. In fact, let me show you how to do the selection tool. This is our new selection tool. Basically, whatever you select is like you're telling the AI, hey, I'm pointing at this. Work on this. Don't change the other stuff. You select here, and then you select that. Now the AI is referencing that. Change text to a ChatCut production. ChatCut production, and then movie begins. Now I'm gonna show you one of the coolest feature that I have ever seen. Let's just make something. Let's loosen up and make something, and then I'll show you. So a man in a top hat singing in the rain in Shanghai to the beat of music. We're asking it to generate motion graphics and generate music, and then we want the motion graphics to cut on the beat of the music. Okay. As we established, this is not just a one-shot AI slop generator. This can do exactly what you want it to do, and this can give you the menu control that you can do it with. But let's say that there are things that you want to control that are not on the list of things that you can control. So what do? You can literally ask the AI to build you the perfect menu control system that you want to control. For example, I want to have separate controls to control the forearms and the forelegs of this of the Matchstick Man in an additional color wheel. You can ask for the level of specificity that you want. You don't want everything. You want the forearms and the forelegs to have an additional color slider because you want to customize just those colors. Okay, now the moment of truth. Look at that. Forearm color, foreleg color. So forearm, let's make it purple. Now forearm is purple. And let's change foreleg to green. How about this? You can do literally anything you want with it. I think in the very beginning there was a lot of hysteria about, oh, AI is going to do everything, the humans are not going to have a job. But, you know, the best AI tools are not going to be a black box. We'll figure out a way to have AI take you as far as it can go and then hand it over back to the user in a way that makes the most sense. All right, guys, there are so many things that are better that we don't have time to make videos of because we are like a very, very small team. But we hope you enjoy the product and discover good things along the way and share it with your friends and on social media. Again, ChatCut is in public beta, so that means you can share it with anyone we want. And please do.